On this episode of When Kids Are Asleep, featuring Beauventures, we are putting together our bed that we got from Wayfair.
King size.
Yeah, we came from a queen size. Now we're getting into a king.
Upgrading.
Yeah, more space for me to sleep.
Thank goodness. He'd need the whole king size bed to himself.
Yes, but we got the Sallie storage bed, so it has 2 drawers on the front and 1 on each side, so a little bit extra storage for us.
Mm-hmm.
And
for me.
Yes, and we got a Logan and Cove, or mattress, a mattress in a box, which is surprisingly convenient for getting it inside the house.
It's so heavy.
We did skip
Unpacking.
the unpacking of all of these pieces and bringing them upstairs.
And it seems like pretty straightforward because it's not like IKEA where you have to make all of the drawers.
I thought this was going to be a lot harder, but we will get it all set up, show you guys how it looks, and do a little time lapse of us trying to figure this out. So here we go. We had a little delay there in the putting together because we couldn't find the parts, but we ended up finding them, so let's go back to that super fast time lapse. We did it. Bed complete. It has 2 drawers on the front, some drawers on the side, another one on that side. And let's get this mattress here, the Logan and Cove, unpacked and on the bed frame to expand and air out a little bit. And then we can finally go to sleep. Okay, here we go. Pull! Are you pulling? I'm pulling. The joys of getting the mattress out of a box.
Okay, hold on.
Handbrake. We have some socks we're cleaning up on the side too there. And come on, bed. Come on out. Success. And there it is. So we're getting ready to unpack our Logan and Cove mattress. So step 1 was to move the box to a desired room. Open the box from the top and gently tip it over to its side. We did not do that. We did it a little bit of a harder way. Step 2 is unwrap the outer layer of plastic by hand to avoid accidental damage to your mattress. Bam! Next, unroll the compressed mattress and position it on your bed frame, box spring, or foundation. And then the third step is carefully cut open and remove the remaining plastic as the vacuum seal is broken. Your Logan and Co mattress will begin to expand and decompress. Be sure to keep the inner plastic layer in case you decide to return your mattress. We believe they give you a, I have to reconfirm this after, 60-day satisfaction guarantee, so you're able to give it back or get a return it for your money back if you're not satisfied. And it may take up to 48 hours for your mattress to expand fully. Your Logan and Cove should be ready to use and enjoy after 5 minutes. We will show you once it's starting to expand. It's expanding! It's expanding! We need to position it over here the other way. No, don't. It's totally upside down right now. It expanded. I think we got the. I think we ripped the inner package first. Okay, we are going to put this there. Okay. We can flip it. Oh, it's heavy. No, that's right. It's not fully expanding yet. Yeah. And up. Good call, good call. Okay, it's not expanded yet, actually.
That unraveled much quicker than I thought.
There's a little hole on this side. There we go. It's still on its layering, but we had a little hole here that we accidentally, you can hear the air coming, or it came like that. But yeah, let's take this layer off now, and let me read that again. We did it. We got the mattress on our Logan and Cove. And we're gonna let it expand here overnight and sleep in our old bed frame, which is a lot lower to the ground. So this will be a new adventure for us.
So it's gonna be very nice.
Be flying high, sleeping on a cloud. Yeah. So they say. We will see. But here we go. Thank you for watching. We will do a little review on the mattress next video.
Yeah.
And after we sleep on it a couple times, see how it goes. But thank you for your time. And Beauventure is out there. Oh! Don't worry. No mattresses were harmed or bed frames.
I'm so tired.
It is first impressions comfy. I think it's been 5 minutes since we let it expand. When it said they was ready to use.
I don't know either.
But we're gonna go now for sure. We also have this frame that we got from Michael's with a bunch of Disney postcards that we purchased from our Disney trips. I think these ones are from actually a mixture of Disneyland and Disney World. So that's a Disney hack for this video. You can buy the postcards for a lot cheaper than the larger prints and still display them around your house.